You searched how to buy shares of Softing AG. Softing AG is a German technology firm working in industrial connectivity and data communication, listed on Xetra under the ticker SYT.DE. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires a photo ID, and then add funds to enable purchases. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker SYT.DE to find the listing. Confirm you select the entry that shows Softing AG on Xetra to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Check the company name, exchange, Xetra, and the ticker to confirm this is the correct Softing AG listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be placed and executed when the market opens. If you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your position will appear in the portfolio once the order is processed. For convenience, the link to the broker is in the description below.